What's up everybody, Brad at Proformance Unlimited, your dyno tuner. On the dyno today, we have an LS 427 cubic inch motor. Just got done making some real nice power on the dyno here. Got black going for the theme here. Got the black CVF kit on here, black tall intake, black Chevrolet valve covers on here. Looks and sounds awesome, runs great. If you have any questions about any of our builds, do not hesitate to give us a call. We'll be happy to put something together for you. And happy motoring out there, everybody. Stay safe.